Do you ever feel like your dreams are just out of reach? Like you're standing on the edge of greatness, but you're not sure how to take the next step? Well, today we're going to bridge that gap. And I'm going to show you how to turn your vision into reality, but with a step-by-step manifesting plan that works every single time if you work it correctly. And stick around because I'm going to have a magical bonus step at the end, okay? So welcome back to Manifest Your Best Life Live. If you're new here, I am Rhonda Dillard, and my mission is simple. I love helping ambitious women just like you manifest vibrant health, and so you can truly enjoy your life and embrace early retirement, right? Okay, as you come on, please tell me where you're coming in from and what time it is, because that helps my algorithm, and I love to see where you're coming in from and what time it is where you are. So today we are diving into the foundation of manifesting, a plan that can transform your desires from daydreams into real, tangible results. And let me tell you, this isn't just about big, far-off dreams, okay? This is about creating your joy right now, making your days more peaceful, and giving yourself the tools to make anything you want come to you with just a little work, okay? Manifesting isn't just about wishing and hoping. It's about aligning your energy, your focus, your actions with what you truly want. And when you follow this step-by-step plan, you will find clarity, build momentum, and stop feeling stuck. Imagine you are an artist about to create the most beautiful painting of your life. And that painting is your dream, right? I'm not sure what that's it. That painting is your dream, your vision, your best life, waiting to come alive. And today, I'm going to show you how to take your blank canvas and turn it into a masterpiece, one stroke at a time. Here are the simple steps that we're going to be talking about. Step 1, know what it is you really want. Step 2, be grateful for it in advance. Step 3, imagine how you can get it. Step 4 is make a plan. Step 5 is work the plan. And step 6, like I was saying, is your magical bonus. So be sure and stick around for that. Now, this plan is your roadmap. Each step is a building block for the life that you've been dreaming of, right? And when you put it into action, it doesn't just bring the results you want. It changes who you are along the way. So grab your journal, lean in, and let's create a strategy to step boldly into the life that you are meant to live. So let's start with step 1. Know what you really want. The first step is to know exactly what you want. This is the foundation of everything. Think of an artist staring at a blank canvas. They can't just start throwing paint around. I'm sure some of them do, but that isn't exactly how you create a masterpiece, right? They can't just hope for the best. First, they have to envision what they want to create. Is it a sunrise? Is it a serene landscape? A bold abstract design, maybe? Without clarity, the masterpiece will stay locked in their mind. And in the same way, you have to define your dream life with precision. What does it look like? How does it feel? What lights you up inside? Don't be afraid to dream big. This is your life. Your vision. Write it down, make it vivid, and claim it. The clearer your vision, the more power that you give it. Remember, you can't hit a target you can't see or that doesn't even exist, right? Now, step 2. Once you know what you want, and that's a big one, the next step is to be grateful for it as if it's already yours. Gratitude is the brush that brings your dream to life. Imagine our artists. They haven't even picked that brush up yet, but they're already grateful for the inspiration, the tools they have, the vision that they're about to create. That gratitude fuels their creativity and their confidence. When you're grateful for your dream before it arrives, you're aligning yourself with the energy of having it. You're telling the universe, and tell it boldly, I see this is coming and I'm ready for it. And don't forget, I am open to receiving it. Okay? This little simple mindset shift creates abundance, an abundance of energy, right? That pulls your dream closer. Feel the gratitude and let it flow and watch how it just opens all the doors. Now, the third step is the fun part, okay? It's imagining the process. And just like an artist starts to plan their strokes, thinking about the colors that they're going to use and the techniques that they're going to apply, you begin to envision how your dream can come to life. And you don't need to know every detail. Just imagine the first few steps and that'll get you going, okay? If your dream is to build financial success, financial freedom, for example, visualize creating opportunities and meeting the right people or discovering a strategy, that aligns with your values. Let your imagination guide you. The artist doesn't worry about painting the entire canvas at once, do they? They start with the first stroke. And your job is to do the same, right? Meditate on it, picture the possibilities, and trust that the path will unfold. Now, from that leads straight into step 4. Make a plan. Here's where the vision turns into action. And the artist sketches their design, creating an outline of their masterpiece. They know what colors they're going to mix, where to start, how to layer each stroke. But without a plan, even the most inspired vision can feel overwhelming, right? For you, this means taking your dream and breaking it down into actionable steps. What can you do today, this week, this month, to move closer to your goal? Write it down and make it specific. A good plan doesn't just organize your actions, it builds momentum, right? And just like the artist, remember that your plan doesn't have to be perfect to start with, and it's never going to be perfect. You just have to take those first steps to begin, okay? And that's where step 5 comes in. Work the plan. Finally, it's time to pick up the brush and start painting. And the artist knows that every stroke, no matter how small, contributes to the bigger picture. They don't rush, they trust the process. Some strokes might feel tedious and some might not turn out as expected, but they keep going because they know that the masterpiece is worth it. This is your step. Work the plan. Show up for yourself every single day, even when it feels hard. Take consistent, aligned action. Every little step is like a brushstroke to your canvas, building the life that you've envisioned. And remember, the masterpiece does not appear in one day, okay? It's created over time with patience and persistence. Bonus step. This is where the magic happens. And let me tell you a little secret. There's an extra step in this process that brings everything together. And this is where the magic happens. It's not just about doing the steps. It's about becoming the person who already lives the life that you're manifesting, right? Imagine our artists again. They don't just plan the painting, sketch it out, work the brush strokes. They pour their heart and soul into every detail, seeing the masterpiece in their mind before it even takes form on the canvas, right? They don't just paint the picture, they become the creator of it. And for you, This means embodying the energy of your dream life right now. Walk and talk and think like the version of yourself who already has it all. How do they carry themselves? What decisions do they make? How do they show up in the world? Start stepping into that identity, and you'll begin to notice that life starts aligning with that version of you. And here's how you ignite the magic of this bonus step and bring it to life in the ways you never imagined. Take a moment every day to pause and reflect and ask yourself, who am I becoming today? Don't just think about it. Be it. Step into the energy of your future self, right? Feel the confidence and the joy and the abundance that comes with knowing that your dream life is already yours. When you embody that version of yourself, things start to shift. The universe responds to your energy in extraordinary ways, right? You'll notice that doors are opening for you where there were none before. And people will offer you opportunities and give you advice or simply show up with exactly what you need. Unexpected blessings like surprise checks, gifts, or connections. I received one the other day. These will just fall into your lap. You'll be so lucky. You'll feel lucky. It feels like you just got lucky. But it's not luck. It's alignment. Okay? This isn't just about wishing. It's about creating an undeniable energy that says, I'm ready, I am worthy, and it's already happening. And when you live in that truth, life begins to rearrange itself for you. It's so much fun. Problems seem to solve themselves. Solutions appear out of nowhere. And the things you thought were out of reach start coming to you effortlessly. And that doesn't mean that you aren't going to encounter problems, but now you have more tools to help you deal with them. So take a deep breath and stand tall and declare it. I am living my dream. I am becoming the best version of me, and then watch the magic unfold. Because when you fully embrace this step, the universe can't help but conspire to make your vision a reality. So there you have it, your step-by-step manifesting plan. Know what you want. Be grateful for it in advance. Imagine the possibilities. Make a plan. Work the plan. Just like an artist, you have everything you need to create the masterpiece of your life. So Blazers, you've got the tools, you got the steps, and now it's your moment. But let me ask you something. Are you ready to take the leap? Are you ready to turn your dreams into reality? To step boldly into the life that's waiting for you? This isn't just another to-do list. This is a blueprint for your best life. And it starts right now if you want it to. If you're feeling that spark, that nudge in your heart that says, this is your time, then you've got something that will light your fire even more. Go grab my free must-have guide to manifesting right now. Inside, you're going to find 3 non-negotiable habits that the most successful people on the planet use to create lives filled with abundance, joy, and purpose. And they are weaved all through those steps. Gratitude, meditation, and visualization. These successful people I'm talking about, they are not just rich people, okay? They are rich in money, yes, but they are happy. They live fulfilling lives. With gratitude, meditation, and visualization, they have created those lives that they love. After much study, I really started implementing these habits myself, and they have transformed my life. They took me from wishing to receiving, from struggling to thriving, and I know they can do the same thing for you. So don't wait for the perfect time. There's no such thing. Don't let self-doubt whisper, maybe tomorrow. Your dreams are calling. And the only thing standing between you and the life you deserve is action. So go to the link in my bio. Go get your free guide, dive into it, and let it change everything. And if you know someone who needs this, someone who's on the edge of their breakthrough, share this with them. Be the spark that lights their path. Each day at noon, I am going to be here to give you more fun information, more information on how you can turn your dream life into reality, okay? Thank you so much for being here, for showing up for yourself, and for daring to dream bigger. Keep spreading kindness and keep stepping boldly into manifesting your best life. Y'all have a fabulous day.